In this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate thumbnails using Pikzels AI. Let's get started. First, log into your Pikzels AI account, and from the dashboard, click on the Recreate feature. This tool allows you to rebuild any YouTube thumbnail using AI. You can either paste a YouTube video link, paste a direct thumbnail link, or upload a thumbnail image from your computer. Once your reference thumbnail is added, click Generate, and Pikzels will create a recreated version based on that design. After the thumbnail is generated, you can improve or customize it using the built-in tools. Click on Edit if you want to add, remove, or replace any object. Just use the rectangle or brush selection tool. Highlight the area you want changed, type your prompt, and click Generate. This makes it easy to add creatures, effects, text, or anything else. You can also use the face swap feature to replace the face with your own persona. Simply select the face area, choose your save persona, and generate again. This gives you a recreated thumbnail while still letting you personalize it for your own channel. Once you're happy with the final version, download it to your computer. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link go.pikzels.com/dine in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.